How affiliate marketing and blogging work together. Blogging has been a popular way to earn money online for quite some time. There are many ways to monetize a blog, and affiliate marketing is one of the most common methods. This article will give you a rundown of how these two schemes work together to make you money. But before we dive in, please remember to subscribe, like and comment below. Thanks. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's marketing efforts. It's a great way to monetize your blog or website if you don't want to sell ads. And it's also a great way to build relationships with other businesses in your niche. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, you should know a few things. You must create content that will drive traffic to your affiliate's website or blog. Finding affiliates willing to promote your products or services would be best. If you can do all three of these things, you'll be well on your way to success with affiliate marketing. How blogging works. Blogging is a great way to earn money from affiliate marketing. By creating quality content on your blog, you can attract readers interested in what you have to say. You can then promote products or services you believe in and earn a commission for each sale you make. You won't see overnight success in blogging. It takes regular, consistent work to build a following and earn money from affiliate marketing. But if you're willing to put in the effort, blogging can be a great way to supplement your income or even replace your day job. How do affiliate marketing and blogging work together? Affiliate marketing and blogging are two forms of online marketing that can work together to help businesses grow. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a company or product on your blog or website and earning a commission for any sales you generate. Blogging can build an audience and create content that will interest potential customers looking for information about your products or services. When used together, blogging and affiliate marketing can be powerful tools to help businesses reach new customers and grow. In addition, blogging can provide valuable content that helps to position your business as an expert in your industry. At the same time, affiliate marketing can drive traffic to your website and generate sales. Why use a blog to promote products? Well, if you have a product that you want to promote, using a blog is a great way to do it. By writing about your product and linking to it in your posts, you can reach a broad audience of potential customers. A blog is also an excellent platform for building relationships with your customers. By responding to comments and engaging with your readers, you can create a community of loyal fans who will likely buy from you again. Finally, it can be a great source of income. If you sell products through affiliate links or ads, you can earn money every time someone clicks on one of your links or makes a purchase. How to begin a blog. Blogging can be straightforward with the proper guidance, and it's easy to get started. Here's a step-by-step guide to starting a blog. Choose your platform. There are a variety of blogging platforms out there, such as WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr. It is recommended to do some research to pick the best platform that suits your requirements. Choose a domain name and hosting. Once you've selected your platform, you'll need to choose a domain name, your blog address, and find hosting for your site. This can usually be done through your preferred platform or a separate hosting service. Set up your blog. Now it's time to start creating content for your blog. Depending on which platform you're using, this process will vary slightly. However, you'll need to create posts and pages, customize your theme or design, and add plugins or features as needed. Promote your blog. Once you have created some content, start promoting your blog so people can find it. There are many ways to promote your blog, such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and guest posting on other blogs. With these simple steps, you can get started on your blog today. Creating content for your blog. When it comes to affiliate marketing and blogging, content is critical. With great content, your blog will be able to attract readers, and your affiliate links will be noticed. Here are a few tips for creating content that will help you make the most of your affiliate marketing efforts. Write relevant content. One of the most important things to remember when writing blog content is to ensure it's relevant to your audience. If you're trying to sell products that no one wants or promote services that nobody needs, you're not going to get very far. Write content that appeals to the interests of your target reader and provides value in some way. Use keywords wisely. Another critical aspect of creating great content is using keywords wisely. However, stuffing your keywords is not recommended. This will only turn readers off. Use keywords sparingly and naturally throughout your content to strike the perfect balance. Keep it fresh. You must keep your content fresh to keep people coming back for more. This means regularly publishing new and original articles that offer something new each time. People will quickly lose interest if you start repeatedly rehashing old topics or regurgitating the same information. Keep things fresh by regularly mixing your topics, format, voice, etc. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing and blogging are two great ways to make money online. When you pair them together, you can create a powerful income stream that can provide you with a full-time income. If you're looking for a way to boost your income, consider pairing affiliate marketing with blogging. Using affiliate links in your blog posts, you can direct your readers to products and services you love and trust. And by promoting products that are relevant to your niche, you can build trust and credibility with your audience. For more information about making money online, including free digital marketing tools, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.